Hello everyone. I never expected that pouring flour into chili peppers would instantly turn into a delicious dish. Everyone who has tried it says it's great. Let's take a look together. First, we prepare a handful of green chili peppers and put them in clean water to wash them thoroughly. Choose green chili peppers that are a bit more tender. This way, they taste even better. After washing, remove the stems from the chili peppers. Then cut the chili peppers into rings. Once cut, place them in a bowl for later use. Prepare a perfectly dry, completely oil-free pan, and then carefully pour in the vibrant chili peppers. Gently stir-fry them to truly release their intense pungency and to bring out their wonderful aroma. Be absolutely sure to use the very lowest heat setting, and keep stirring them constantly with a spatula for about 2 full minutes. Pre-frying these peppers in this particular way makes them incredibly fragrant, but not overly spicy. When you observe the peppers beginning to visibly smoke, they are perfectly ready. Transfer them immediately to a waiting bowl. Add a generous spoonful of fine salt, a spoonful of savory chicken bouillon, and half a spoonful of aromatic 13-spice powder. If you personally don't prefer it, you can certainly skip this step. Add a little light soy sauce, then carefully crack in 1 fresh, whole egg. Use your trusty chopsticks to thoroughly mix everything together exceptionally well. After mixing well, gradually add the flour in small amounts, stirring continuously until everything is evenly combined. If the batter is too thin, you can add a bit more flour so that the chili peppers are evenly coated. Finally, mix until it looks like what you see in the video. Add an appropriate amount of oil to the pan and heat it up. Once the oil is hot, pour the chili peppers into the pan. Use a spatula to spread them out evenly, forming a large round pancake. Keep the heat on low throughout the process, gently shaking the pan so the chili peppers cook more evenly. Fry one side until it becomes fragrant and golden brown, then flip it over to cook the other side. Continue frying on low heat until both sides are golden and crispy. This makes it taste even better. Once it's fully cooked, use a spatula to break it into large pieces. Next, sprinkle an appropriate amount of white sesame seeds and drizzle a little sesame oil over it. Then stir-fry everything evenly. That's it. Take it out of the pan and plate it up. A classic dish, pan-fried chili peppers, is now ready. It's truly delicious, perfect with both drinks and rice. If you like my video, remember to like, comment and share. Thank you for your support.